Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ford Ecosport headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. Open the hood to access the headlight area. You will need a few basic tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool, to begin the process. Having the right tools makes the job much smoother and prevents damage to your vehicle's components. Next, you'll need to remove the fasteners securing the headlight assembly. Typically, there are a few screws visible from the top or side. After removing these, gently disconnect the electrical wiring harnesses from the rear of the headlight. Some models may also have plastic clips or tabs that require a trim removal tool to release them without causing damage. Take your time with each connection. Once all fasteners and electrical connections are detached, you can carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It might feel a bit snug, so a gentle, steady pull is often best. Double-check for any overlooked wires or hoses that could still be connected. Once free, place the headlight assembly on a clean, soft surface to protect it from scratches or damage while you work on it. Now that the headlight assembly is out, you can access its internal components. Look for a circular access cover or a bulb housing on the back. This usually twists or unclips to reveal the bulb. You can then replace the bulb or perform any other necessary maintenance. Remember to reassemble everything in reverse order, ensuring all connections are secure and the headlight is properly mounted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.